finally, I want to show a little bit about our experience. First, we have this success case of a district cooling plants in Dubai, where this company had a very big cooling tower for their processes, and due to the fact that there were many sandstorms, cooling system increased the suspended solids and the turbidity, which made nebulizers to clog. Also, there was blockage of the cooling system panels. And of course, there was a high microbiological growth in the system. So maintenance time and spare parts increased, and there was a decrease also in the heat transfer of the cooling tower. This company trusted in our solutions to solve the problem. So we installed a disk filtration Sidestream system, and we decided to monitorize the water quality with a turbidity meter. Before the installation of the disk filter, the value was up to 350 NTU, and only after 20 days of the disk filter working, turbidity went down dramatically to 10 NTU. So we obtained removal of more than 90% of the TSS in the tower. So sandstorms were no longer a problem. We decreased the maintenance, which used to be 4 to 5 hours per week because of the problems caused of the sandstorm. We increased the lifespan of nebulizers and panels, and all of this with a return on investment in less than 2 years. So as you can see, only installing one filtration equipment in this big cooling tower meant a relief for the factory and important savings in terms of money for the DCP. The next case study is in Mexico, and this company had 3 cooling tower systems with different sizes for each of their processes. High load of organic matter was constantly contaminating all the cooling water circuit. So the maintenance team was only using chemical reagents to control the water quality, but even though there were many unscheduled shutdowns, due to the very poor water quality, the chemical usage was not enough to maintain an optimal performance of the cooling tower. They had a massive water consumption by frequent blowdowns, so very high makeup water costs, and of course, a very high environmental impact. So the main problems here that we were facing was the high chemical consumption, and the fact that it was not possible to maintain a constant water quality. With all these problems, AZUD was contacted to improve the performance of the refrigerator system. Our proposal was a Sidestream filtration for each system of 10% of the total volume at 50 micron. By this way, we managed to maintain TSS levels below 5 ppm by removing the suspended solids. After the AZUD disk filter installation, the company achieved to reduce the chemical reagents and makeup water, improving the cooling system performance by an average saving of 23% of chemical reagents in their 3 cooling towers, 50% reduction in their downtimes, and all this with payback less than 2 years. At the end, AZUD filtration solution helped the company not only in terms of operational costs, but also allowed them to focus their efforts on their own production processes and not just the utility performance. Finally, I wanted to show you this case study that also is a Sidestream filtration at a petrochemical industry. But the interesting thing about this reference, it is a containerized solution. It is the environment was not the best, as in the winter we had extreme temperatures reaching down to minus 35 degrees Celsius. So the container was isolated and had a heating and ventilation system in order to maintain a constant temperature between 18 and 21 degrees for the correct operation of the filter. The containerized solution helps to also installation issues. It is also a plug-and-play solution. It's what we call a decentralized solution. So in this case, the benefit of the application was that also we decreased the chemical consumption. As you can see in the first table, that these are liters per year of chemical usage. With the disc filter, we reduced from 1,000 liters per year to 800. And also the energy consumption was improved with the filtration system. On the table of the right, you can see that without the filtration and the presence of biofouling, the energy consumption was very high, and this was solved only with a side stream filtration.